Hey everyone, prepping for the CKAD exam? You're in the right place. Today, we'll break down what makes CKAD different, why it's valuable, and how to pass on your first try. Let's go. CKAD isn't a typical test. It's hands-on. No multiple choice, just real Kubernetes problems in a live command line environment. You'll deploy apps, debug issues, and manage networking, just like on the job. Reality-based Kubernetes challenges. Number 1, deploying applications. Number 2, debugging misconfigurations. Number 3, managing networking and scaling. Number 4, solving time-sensitive issues. Many fail due to format shock, not lack of knowledge. Let's fix that. Why bother with CKAD? Companies love certified Kubernetes pros. Netflix, Spotify, and Google use Kubernetes daily. Certification proves hands-on skills and boosts job prospects. Benefits of CKAD certification. Number 1, real-world skills. Number 2, job market advantage. Number 3, higher salary potential. Number 4, reduced company training costs. ZipRecruiter reports CKAD certified pros earn around 54 hours, $791 yearly. Worth it. Why do people fail? Not enough real practice. Mistakes include: common mistakes. Number 1, underestimating command line tasks. Number 2, wasting time looking up commands. Number 3, panicking under time pressure. Number 4, lack of troubleshooting experience. Time flies during the test. Prepare smart. Here's how to pass CKAD in 3 steps. Step 1, train with real exam questions. Use a CKAD real exam question bank to get familiar with the format. Step 2, practice under time conditions. Simulate the exam environment. Speed matters. Step 3, master Kubernetes core concepts. Focus on pods, deployments, networking, and troubleshooting. Analyze mistakes. More practice, more confidence. Start practicing today. CKAD certification unlocks amazing DevOps opportunities. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your questions. See you next time.